What's up everyone? Today is our first day in Chiangmai, Thailand, and right now we have just checked into our Airbnb. Our Airbnb is located right near the CBD, and it is quite modern and the facilities are pretty good. So we arrived in the afternoon and we decided to hit up the gym and work out before we go out for a whole night of eating. So at night we hit up the Chiang Mai Old City, which is pretty much the CBD of Chiang Mai. There's a huge night market inside the Old City, and there's a lot of vendors selling souvenirs. So if you want, you can buy some here, but make sure you bargain with the vendors before you buy. There's a huge variety of street food here, so make sure you come with an empty stomach.
Nasib. Get one? Can. Are you gonna eat? Two? Two out of how?
No, I'm saying that's the scent that's used in her website. Like you can smell it.
What tomorrow?
So the next day we came to an elephant sanctuary. They have rescued elephants that were used by elephant riding companies, and they have placed them here for a better life. Most elephants are abused in elephant riding companies, so make sure when you come to Thailand you don't take any elephant riding tours. In this sanctuary, we get to feed and play with the elephants, which is a lot of fun.
He only wants a juicy one.
Here we're getting close and personal with the elephants. So here we get to put mud all over the elephant's body. And as you can see, it gets pretty messy. Most places like this will provide you with shower and spare clothing, so you don't have to worry too much. Here we're having lunch provided by the tour company. Here we have khao soi, which is a curry-based noodle dish that's really famous in Chiang Mai. So now we're heading back to our accommodation and take a rest before we go out at night and seek out some street food. Here we are at another night market. This night market is mainly food based. Here we're having a bowl of noodles. We weren't too sure what this is, but it had a lot of people there, so we just decided to get it. But it turns out pretty good. It's a pork-based soup with some pork chunks, I think vermicelli noodles, and the broth is actually quite sweet. And here I got a papaya salad with black cockles. This is super spicy. Yeah, make sure if you can't take spice, don't order this. But the taste is actually really good. It's super fresh from a lot of lime juice, and also quite funky from the fish sauce. The environment is actually quite nice here. It's really chill, and you can have the food that you buy from the market just around this fountain. That's really nice. And that's it for this episode. See you in the next one.